welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a very quick and straight to the point tutorial. Janet Collection, I've worked with them before, so they decided to send me some new hair that I want to show you guys really briefly. I think this hair is going to be great for the naturalistas, so girls like us, sisters like us, okay? This is the hair I'm going to be showing you guys today. This is the Beauty Expression 3x Janet Collection hair. It's called Kinky Crush. 36 inches, and you can use this hair to do just like a regular crochet throw, or if you're into the kinky twist, you can use this hair to do that as well. It'll be perfect for that too, so you can kind of wear them both ways, you know, if you want. But we're going to be doing the crochet hair tutorial using this hair today, and it's going to be lots of fun, you guys. I can't wait to show you guys the look I'm going to come up with. So I have about 6 bags of hair here today, but I'll most likely only be working with maybe 3 packs. Each pack comes with 2 bundles of crochet hair in it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, it comes with 2 bundles of crochet hair in this. So we have more than enough to work with per pack. So we're not going to be doing too much, you guys. If you guys have been following me for a while now, you know I love fake froze. Like, I used to be the queen of fake froze, okay? Like, I used to trick everybody that my hair was like super long, even though it wasn't. I just like did my big chop and wore like some fake crochet hair, and I had everybody fooled on campus, okay? So yeah, that's the beauty of crochet. You can make them think, you know, give people the illusion of what is and what isn't, okay? So let's go ahead and get right into this tutorial. So I already have my hair braided into cornrows. You guys do not laugh at my cornrows, okay? So you know, there's a whole lot going on up here. I was tired today, so I didn't want to spend too much time crinkling my fingers on my hair. So I just did some really quick jumbo cornrows, and I left out the perimeter of my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a spin. So yeah, I left out the perimeter of my hair because I want to be able to style this hair however I want. I want to be able to put it up, I want to be able to put it down to the side, I want to be able to do whatever I want. So that's why I have the perimeters left out. Oh my god, you guys, tongue twisting is happening again today. Anyway, so I left my perimeters left out. So we're going to go ahead and get into this kinkiness, this kinky crush. Oh my god, this hair is so soft, you guys. It's so soft, it doesn't even feel like, you know, have you guys ever felt those like Marley hair at the beauty supply store that it just feels super dry? This is not, it doesn't feel like that at all. Like, this feels so like soft and like mushy, and just like I could literally rub it on my skin and I don't feel like it's itchy or irritating. And I have really sensitive skin, so this is nice. This is some really good quality hair. So anyways, let's go ahead and unbundle this and unravel this, or whatever you want to call it. And then we'll go ahead with the install process. Hey guys, so we're going to begin by cutting off that long straight piece of hair and just get it out of the way because we don't need it and it's going to throw off our whole entire look. So just take a pair of scissors and snip, snip, snip. So we're going to crochet the hair like we normally do, just a basic regular crochet method. I'm sure you guys have seen this a million times, so there's nothing special. I'm so sorry, my armpits is like all up in the camera. So sorry. Did not know. But yeah, so just crochet as you normally would, you know, nothing different. Make sure you take very little pieces of hair for the front perimeter of your crochet, so that way when we pull our hair back, it can blend easier. I could have taken smaller pieces, but I didn't. But when you do yours, keep that in mind. Just take very little strands for the front part, so that way when you put your hair over it, it blends better.
underground.
Ooh, okay, okay. So now that you're done with the crochet portion, you want to make sure you take down your hair from the perimeter. Don't forget to take down the back perimeter of the braids as well. I actually forgot to do that, so don't be like me. Remember to take down your braids. So yeah, I'm just gonna be going in with my Dax edge control. You guys know I used this in my last video, and I was raving about how awesome it is, and it's just less stressful on my hair, and I feel like it does its job without, you know, putting too much stress, or, you know, it doesn't feel heavy on my hair. That's what I'm trying to say. But anyways, take a pair of scissors, you know, shape your hair if you need to. I like mine to be very nice and full, so I'm not going to be doing a lot of cutting. So that's what it looks like if you wanted to wear it down. And of course, if you wanted to pull it up, take an elastic band, throw it over your hair. Try not to choke yourself, because I actually almost choked myself. Be careful. And I also messed up my makeup trying to do this. Look at the struggle, you guys. Oh my god. But yeah, just push it down to wherever you want your ponytail to stay. If you want a low ponytail, you can do that. If you want a high ponytail, you can do that. As you can see, my hair didn't fully cover the front, so be very careful about that. Leave a lot of hair if you need to, because my front perimeter is pretty thin, so you want to leave as much hair as you can. But yeah, you guys, just use your hands to play with it and shape it, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, make sure you share it, and leave a comment. Let me know if you guys like this hairstyle. If you don't, would you wear it, would you not wear it? If you have any questions, make sure you leave it in the description below, in the comment section below. And I'll be sure to answer them for you guys, of course. Yeah, once again, thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you on my next video. Have a merry day, and God bless.